Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Drive without internet. Let's get started. So once you've logged into Google Drive, you're going to go to the top right here and then press on the settings icon. And then you're going to click on settings. So what you want to do now is scroll all the way down and then look for something which says offline. Now you see a checkbox under offline, so you're going to tick on that. Create, open, and edit your recent Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides files on this device while offline. So now it says setting up offline here at the bottom left. So what you'll be able to do now is create, open, and edit your documents that you create on your Google Drive and access them on your computer without the internet. And there you have it. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free, and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.